All right, let's get into some more learning about microdevelopment. Now in this video, I want to show you how you can add a product to your database. Now this may be a product that was sent to you by another microdevelopment user out there, or something that you had saved and now you want to add it to your new database. We'll make this a pretty quick video. So let's open up Toolbox and let's get started. So first off, we're going to go into the Toolbox setup under our microdevelopment palette and open up the options. And then from there into the Utilities tab. Now to Database Explorer. Database Explorer is also something you could add to your custom tool strip. So if you find yourself going in there a lot, you might want to add that to your tool strip. Then this is basically just like Windows Explorer. Everything's categorized inside of the folders. On the left column are the databases inside of the microdevelopment factory. Now I would suggest creating a custom category when you're doing this. So let's open up that products folder, add a new category, and give this a unique name. This is also useful when you're customizing your own products and saving them back to your library. Now with the foundation library with the update utility tool, we want to make sure that these cabinets are separate from the default microdevelopment products so they don't get touched through the whole updating process. Now that we got our custom category, we're going to find where that product was saved. So remember, this was just sent to us. I have it on my local drive. Now we have the cut file or the cutx file and the JPEG. So that JPEG is just so you can see an image as you're selecting it from your library. And of course, they have to share the same name. So Toolbox recognizes what image to pull. Drag them over to your custom cabinets category. I'm just going to rename mine so it drops down to the bottom of the list. You could also rename the product inside of here, change the image just by selecting it and right-clicking on it. So it's that easy. Once you've added it to your database, close out of Database Explorer and restart Toolbox. And as you open up your library and search through your categories, there's my custom cabinets and the new tall wall UGG cabinet that apparently I need to fix. Now, actually, it is going to be a cabinet that we fix. There's another video where we go through fixing some of the things that are broken inside of that cabinet. There we go. Those are just some of the things that we need to fix right there. We got some things that are out of place in our bay options, but we're not doing that now. We're just showing how we can bring it into one of our projects. Now, if you want to delete any cabinet from your database, just a matter of going back into Database Explorer. Now I'm going to make a backup first. So that's also just as easy as dragging the product from your left database column over to your Windows Explorer folder that you want to have it in. And then back over to the database column, selecting on your product, right-clicking, showing those options, and deleting that selected item if you want. I'm going to get rid of that category too. And the same thing, just restart Toolbox and see those changes take effect. Now, the next time we open up our configuration, we're ready to get back into work in Toolbox. Okay, well, that was just one way that you can add a product to your database using the Database Explorer. Check out our other video where we're going to import a product using our database management tools. All right, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one.